Is this thing rolling? I want to share a thing or two with you guys about my ukulele. I've been playing this baby for a while now. I've been around. I've got a few years on my back for sure. I have some years on my back. I want to show you how to get started on this little baby. First things first, we're going to need to know how to hold this baby. Yeah. So let's take the ukulele. We're going to take the ukulele. We're going to spin it to your left. To your left. Not my left, your left. With the neck, this is the neck, pointing left. And the body pointing to your right. Left, neck, right, body. No left-handed BS, okay? Okay. Today, we will play the ukulele with chords in your left hand and strumming in your right hand. And we're going to hold it. The first time you play the ukulele, you have to be comfortable. Okay? So, let's look at the strings. Let's look at the strings. We're going to go from lowest to highest. Now, on my little beast here, we're going to start our lowest note, C. This is C. It's going to be the second string down from the top. Yeah. C. The third string down, E. The first string, G. The G string. And finally, right at the top here, A. So we have C, E, G, and A. Beautiful. Now, you know how to hold the instrument. You now know the names of each string. Let's play some freaking chords. The first chord you will learn today, yes, you will learn today, is C major. Now, we're not just going to use one finger. We're not only going to use two fingers, but we're going to use three fingers, because with C major, at the very beginning, you're going to need some support. You're going to take your first finger and put it on the A string on the first fret. Okay? The first fret, right there. Wait a minute before you play. Then you put your second finger down on the second fret on the A string. That's not all. You're going to take your third finger, put it on the third fret. So these two fingers are actually supporting your third finger. These two support by helping push the string down. Okay? They help support it. So with those three fingers down, we're going to have ourselves a beautiful little power chord. You drink from your goblet of rock, and then you give it some power. Yeah. C major. Beautiful. Okay. So with your three fingers down, you're going to play C major, using your thumb. Strum with your thumb. Now play with me 8 counts of C major. I'll count you in. Here goes. 1, a 2, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. For the next chord, we're going to play F major. F, yeah? Not F-U, not F-U. F major. You're going to take from your C, here's C, remember C? We're going to take it down a little bit. We're going to take it down. We're going to move the first finger from the A string across to the E string. That's F. That's the note F. And we're going to take the second finger from the second fret. We're going to move it down. We're going to move it down to the G string. F major. Beautiful. So we're going to take F major, and it's your turn to play along with me. Okay? You guys are going to play with me. Okay? Here goes. On the count of 1, 2, 3, F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. The final paddle chord we will play today is G7. You're going to take your second finger and you're going to move it across. You're going to move it across to the C string. Second finger, second fret, C string. You're going to leave your first finger exactly where it is. Okay? Okay? Your third finger is going to be on the A string, second fret. So your second finger and your third finger are both on the second fret. Okay, okay. We're going to play G7. Beautiful. Just to review, we have learned how to play C major. We have learned how to play F. And we have learned how to play G7. Listen up. We're going to play 4 counts, 4 strums of C major. 4. We're going to play 4 strums of F major. 4. We're going to play 4 strums of G7. 4. And we finish with 4 strums of C major. Okay? On my count, we play the combinations. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back to C. Yeah. Beautiful. C. we have learned how to play C major. We have learned how to play F major. We have learned how to play G7, 3 chords, 3 chords. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to play A minor, D minor, and E minor. Hit the thumb, hit the thumb, push it, push that thumb, push that thumb. See you next time.